Hello guys, my name is Robin Mo. I'm a Java developer, and in this course, I'm going to take, I'm going to teach you on how to code in Java, and you don't have to be having any coding experience or skills, since I'm going to take you from a total noob to a pro. I have gathered all the material necessary for this course. If you have been wondering on how to become a programmer, then this is the best um, place for, as I say, with my videos. You're here on you are on the right track to become a programmer. In this video, I'm going to explain what is Java, why it is number one programming language out there, where it's being used, and in the next video we are going to start coding, or rather I'm going to show you the necessary material that you're going to require for starting. So one thing I'd like to say before I continue, um, let's 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 understand why I use Java. Okay, Java being number one in the world, I can say that it works on a different platform. That is, not like other languages where it works maybe on phones or something different. But with Java, it works on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry, and ADIS. It's one of the most popular programming language in the world. Imagine that, uh, having learning the popular language, and it's easier to learn, not like others, and simple to use. So if you think that programming is, let's say it's aeronautical engineering, it's not the same case. With Java, it's that easier to start, and you don't need to be to have, maybe let me say you have a degree or something to learn Java, but anyone can do. So it's one of the easiest language that I know. And when it's also an open source and a free. That means that you can get it for free. You don't have to purchase anything, but it's free. And also, it's secure, fast, and powerful. It's one of the powerful language that I know out there. And also, it has a huge community support. Tens of millions of developers use Java because they understand what is Java. So if you're really into programming, then this is the right language you should start with. Also, Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs, and allow code to be used, lowering the development cost. So if you have to use code, you can reuse it, so you don't have to write once and then you're using another device and you write. No, you can reuse it. And finally, uh, Java is close to C++ and C hash, so it makes it easier for programmers to switch to Java and then vice versa. So if you have to take Java as your first language, then it's easier for you to move to other languages, because especially object-oriented programming, so you can switch easily. So where do we use Java? Well, I can say that Java is used in several devices out there, unlike other languages. to start with, it's used for mobile applications, especially Android apps. So, and also desktop applications. Desktop application that those are the PC applications. Also, web applications. You see, web applications are those that we normally use on the website. Maybe we have a calculator on the website. So most likely that is Java. And also web servers and application servers. So we have billions of servers out there. So the commonly used language is Java. And also Java is used to develop games. And also in database connection, you connect your application to databases. Mostly we use Java and much more. So that's a short explanation of what's Java, where it's being used, and in my next video we are going to see the necessary materials that you require to start, and also if so I'm going to explain how to start with Java. What are the necessary requirements you need, the features of your computer, and also the application that you need to run to write the codes. That will be in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you subscribe so that you can continue learning with me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.